All right, so you're welcome to today's class. And the topic we have for today is angles. Um, I'm going to admit my student in shortly so that we can get going with today's topic. So, we're going to look at angles. We're going to look at describing degrees, angles using degrees. Then we're going to look at the right angle, the acute angle, the obtuse angle. We're going to look at, yeah. How are you, Miggy? All right, so you're welcome to the class for today. And okay, hold on, I gotta stop. Okay, yeah. So I can hear a kind of background, a kind of noise somewhere, but maybe something's. Or is it raining?
No, it's
Okay, it's not.
a lot of it's better right now.
Okay. All right. So what's the topic for today? What's the topic for today, Miggy?
It's against.
Angles. You remember that yesterday we spoke about geometry. We spoke about lines that can intersect and give us angle, right? Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So can you see the black screen? Can you see the black screen?
Yes.
Okay. So if this is a line and this is another line, if it's going to meet the first line at a particular spot, so at a particular spot, we say it's forming an angle there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it forms an angle which we can identify it's anything. So let's say this is the angle, and there are different types of angle to consider. So
Okay.
as we move on, we are going to see. So when you install a sprinkler system to water your lawn, yeah, you can set each sprinkler to spray at any angle. Okay. Like if you want to water your lawn, maybe this is the system here, like a tap, and it's going to be rotating, and it will be sprinkling the water. If you set it like this, it's going to sprinkle all around like this. Okay, it's going to sprinkle the water all around, right? Is that clear?
Okay.
Good. So you can set it at an angle. So we're talking about angle now. This lawn has six sprinkler, each set at different angles to sweep across the lawn. So you can see this at this point, there's an angle. Let's take it to the board and try to view all of the angles on this particular sprinkler. I mean, these sprinklers. So, can you see the sprinklers? There is one here. Okay. Can you see the sprinklers?
Okay.
The red, the blue, the purple. Okay. The brown. Can you see it? Miggy, are you doing something there?
Yeah.
The uh, orange and the pink. You know. So all of these have their definite angles, okay? So if I bring the first one, you're going to see an angle formed like this. This is, uh, from the center, this is a straight line, and
Okay.
this is another straight line. So you can see the angle, right?
Okay.
And if I bring up the middle one, okay, let me try that again. Okay, wait a minute.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I bring up the middle one, for this middle one, there is a line here to the right, and there is another line from the left or to the left. So there is a particular angle in the green portion. Then the other one has an angle too. So are you following this?
Yeah.
Okay. So there is a line here and there is another line here. The two lines meet to form an angle at that point. In the same way, we can bring up. Uh, how many have I brought out so far, Miggy? How many angles have I, brought out?
What?
You see, you're not listening. How many angles have I brought out from the shape?
Um. 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 Um.
How
Um.
many?
Um. Um.
Count them. How many?
Three.
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 Good. Good.
Three.
So I'm bringing the remaining three out so that you can see the angles. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
So there is one line here, and there is another line here. So the line is going to form, and the two lines are going to form an angle at that point. Then I can bring the next one to, yeah, this one. Then there is a line to the right again, and also there is a line to the left. Okay. So the last one is here with an angle formed by the two lines, which is the first line and the second line. Is that clear?
Okay.
So look at the shape. How many angles are in this shape? How many angles? Count all the angles. Miguel,
Okay.
how many angles are in this shape? Did you hear me? Did you hear
Yes.
what?
Yes. Wait.
Okay. How many angles are in this shape? How many angles? Count the angles for me. How many? Yes? You know, do you know examples of each angles mentioned? Okay, let's look at the examples. If we mention obtuse angle, are you listening?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, if we mention, let's say we mention obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is greater than, you know, is greater than 90 degrees, okay?
Alright.
Greater than 90 degrees, but it must be less than 180 degrees. So can you give me a number that is bigger than 90 and less than 180? Yes, Miggy.
Okay, yes, yes, yes.
Give me a number that is bigger than 90 and less than 180.
Okay.
Yes, I'm waiting. Give me a number bigger than 90 and less than 180.
Um,
You gave me one the other time, you said 120. So give me another one. Bigger than 90, but less than 180. So give me a number. I can
okay.
I can give you another one, 110. You mentioned another one, Miggy.
Ah,
I can give you another one, 150 degrees. Any number bigger than 90 but less than 180. Mention, Miggy.
okay.
Concentrate and tell me. I'm waiting. Give me an example. A number bigger than 90 but less than 180. I can give you 118. Give me one, Miggy.
Okay.
Don't just say okay, but give it to me. Number
Yeah.
bigger than 90 but less than 180. Yes, Miggy.
Um,
I'm waiting. Miggy.
hold on.
Yeah.
Of Zeus, 700 again.
What are you saying? I said, give me a number that is bigger than 90 and less than 180. I can give you another one, 130 degrees. Give me another one. I can give you 128. It's bigger than 90 and it's less than 180. So mention another one, Miggy.
Okay.
Anyway, when you watch the video, make sure you calm down to study because you are not even focusing right away. You are not concentrating at all, at all, at all. The next one we're going to mention is right angle. Right angle is what?
Right angle, right angle.
So the right angle, the angle must be equal to what? 90 degree. So the only example is 90 degree. Then the next one we will mention, let me cage that one. So the next one we'll mention is acute angle. Is what?
Acute angle.
So an acute angle must be greater than zero, okay?
Yeah.
Greater than zero and less than 90 degrees. So give me any number that is less than 90 degree. I can have 11, 15, I can have 10. Give me another number, Miggy, that is less than 90.
Yes.
I can have 89. Give me another number, 80. Give me any other number, 50.
Hmm. 50, 50.
Yes, give me another one. Any number less than 90.
Ah, 70, 70, 70.
70 degrees. Can you give me another one?
Okay, 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 okay.
Mhm.
80.
80. I've written 80. Give me another one. Yes. I've written 80, so give me another one.
Okay.
Anyway, any
60.
60, 60. So you just need to calm down and listen to it again, okay?
Okay.
Then what else? Straight angle. Yeah, straight angle is just 180, okay?
Okay.
Straight angle is just 180 degrees. And the example is 180 degree. Um, what about which other one remain? Reflex angle. Okay.
Okay.
What do I call it? Reflex
Angle.
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 Reflex angle. So it must be greater than 180, okay?
Okay.
And less than 360. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So give me a number that is greater than 180 and is less than 360. That is 200, right? Or
Yeah.
198 or 190. Any number greater than 180. Give it to me, Miggy, but must be less than 360. Yes, 300. Anyone?
Okay.
250. Any other one? 220 degrees. 235 degrees. Any other one? Bigger than 180, less than 360. Miggy, give me numbers.
Ah.
Two,
Any
218.
15,
Big,
15, 15, 15. Eh.
what? Number bigger than 180.
Oh, 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 oh.
Give me number bigger than 180 and less than 360.
90, 90, 190, 190, 200, 200, 200, 20,
Wait,
20,
calm down, calm down. Which number do you want me to write now? Yes. Bigger than 180, less than 360. You can give me 185. You can give me 205. You can give me 345. Okay.
All right.
Then the last angle that we did not mention is angle at a point. The angle at a point is simply 360. Point angle equal to what? 360 degrees. Equal to what? Miggy, point angle equals to what?
Ah.
360 degrees. Read this, Miggy. Read this. What's this?
Ah.
What's this?
One angle.
Equal to. You didn't finish it. Finish it. Read it. Yeah.
Hmm.
Point
Point
angle
angle.
equal to what?
Ah. Equal to 222.
Equal to what? Look at it.
360.
Yeah. What do you say?
360.
So you just need to concentrate, okay? Okay.
Fine.
Now,
Okay.
let's quickly go back to the classroom. Now that let's try to log in back so that we get back there because you have wasted enough time on that page, okay?
All right.
So don't waste time again. When we go back to that board, don't waste time. You answer quickly. Is that clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so let's open it again and see. Now, read all these for me, Miggy.
All right.
Yes, read quickly.
Ah, acute angle. An angle measuring less than 90 degrees.
Example. Give me example. Less than 90 degree. Give me example.
Wait.
Give me example of angle less than 90 degree. I will give you one. I'll give you 70. I'll give you 58. Less than 90. So give me
Yeah,
yours.
yeah, yeah. Yes, 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 yes.
Give me example. An angle less than 90 degree. Give me example.
Um, um, um,
20,
um.
15, 38. Any number less than 90 degree. Mention. Miggy.
Okay, 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 okay.
Now mention one.
Ah,
Give me an example of this. Less than 90 degree, yeah?
all right.
Just tell me. It's not about saying all right. Just tell me. Give me example. Give me example. Quickly, quickly.
Any 90, 80, 80, 80.
80 or 88 or anyone. So what's the next thing? Read it. Yes.
Uh, um,
Read. Read.
degree
Just read.
unit of angle measure.
The unit of angle measure is degree. Read the next one. Yes. Read the next one, Miggy. Concentrate, concentrate. Let me tell you something. You have enough time to browse after the class, so stop browsing now and focus. Okay?
Okay, fine.
Now read. Yes?
All right.
I'm waiting for you.
Ah, just angle greater than 90
Give
degrees.
me an example. You're not there again. Give me an example. Miggy, give me an example of obtuse angle. Greater than 90. Give me an example.
180 degrees. How many? 100 examples?
You can give me 100 example if you want.
1000.
I said, give me one example. You are saying 100 example.
2000 degrees. 2000 degrees. 1 million
Wait,
degrees.
hold on, calm down, calm down. If you look at it on the board, we said obtuse angle. Okay, mention the examples of obtuse angle here. What are the examples here?
3.
I'm waiting. What are the examples?
Ah.
Read all the examples. 130 degree, continue.
Mm.
Yes. Do quick before the something will log us out again. Read this for me. Yes. Read these numbers. What's the first number?
The first number is
Look at
uh
it and read. You're not looking at it, you're looking at something else. Yes?
um 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 so much. 130 degrees, 120 degrees, 110 degrees, 128 degrees, 150 degrees, 118 degrees, blah blah blah, 190 degrees.
Miggy, we will soon round up, but make sure you watch the video, okay? Because you're going to write exam, later. Is that clear?
Okay, okay.
Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect and create right angle. What's the meaning of right angle? It means 90 degrees. Then, protractor is a tool used to measure angles. Right angle is angle that measure 90 degrees. Straight angle is an angle that measure 180 degrees. So let's go to the next section quickly. Describing angles using degrees, you can see if we move this hand like this from the left to the right or right to left, we are measuring up to 180. So each movement is a degree. And if we have this, divide 180 into 2, you get 90 degrees.